you don't want that to happen. The best thing to do is to withdraw the bill. Withdraw the bill. Mr. Speaker, I have no business advising the chair on what to do in such a time as this. But I know there is a motion that is coming up by Senator Ledama Olekina, which is very, very relevant to the issues that we are discussing on the behavior of the governors. Mr. Speaker, that would be the best motion to be brought here for us to deal with the wayward behavior of the governors. Secondly, Mr. Speaker, I accompanied Senator Sifuna and a number of my colleagues out there. And Mr. Speaker, it's really a shame. It's really a shame what is happening in the precincts of Parliament, Mr. Speaker. That the governor of Samburu has the audacity to bring together more than 50 media houses to Parliament, Mr. Speaker, to Parliament, to speak ill about senators. Mr. Speaker, which is easier, to call the media out there or to appear before a Senate committee and respond to audit queries? Because, Mr. Speaker, this is something that we can't understand. And I want to, Mr. Speaker, address this because it's important. The senator for Wajir is here. The leadership of the Council of Governors has never been so incompetent and so downright low as it is now. Mr. Speaker, when you have a council as important as the Council of Governors, led by a governor whose understanding of Parliament is the buildings that he sees in the city center, Mr. Speaker, it's amazing. The people of Wajir, Mr. Speaker, I am embarrassed on behalf of the people of Wajir. Mr. Speaker, it was a great honor for the people of Wajir that the Council of Governors gave them the opportunity to lead this institution. But the governor who has been given that role is now ordering, and I'm wondering what happened to our former colleagues in the Senate. I'm just wondering what happened. Senator Sakaja used to do so well when we were here, Mr. Speaker. We used to look at him as the defender of devolution. Senator Irungu Kangata was very, very firm on devolution. Senator James Orengo was so firm on devolution. Senator Kiika Susan was doing so well. Senator Mutula Kilon, Senator Ochilo Ayako was the chair of CPAC at some point, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, it's amazing. It's just amazing. And what we are saying, Mr. Speaker, I want to urge our leader, the majority leader, to kindly just withdraw that bill on the division of it. We cannot be discussing how we are going to give money to counties when the governors have decided they cannot account for what they have been given. We can't, Mr. Speaker. And even if it means, as I conclude, Mr. Speaker, even if it means, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, I spoke in defense of the people of Wajir. I never said anything wrong about the people of Wajir. I said they were given
Senator Abbas, what is your point of order?
It is actually so unfortunate that the senator for Kitui. Stop with that, stupid. 101, 102, whatever, 105. 105, Honorable Speaker. Hey, can you stop interrupting me?
Senator Abbas, just proceed.
Yes, Honorable Speaker, the governor of Wajir is actually the chairman of governors. And, yes, the governor of the chairman of the governors. COG chairman. And my governor, I have brought him here many times to speak and speak. He has appeared several times, Honorable Speaker. There is nothing to be ashamed of. It is if you guys have failed to commit him for his mistakes, then I have no responsibility for that.
Can you conclude, Senator Wambua?
let me.
Order, Honorable
Mr.
Senators.
Mr. Speaker, for the record, Mr. Speaker, the senator of Wajir is not on trial. And the people of Wajir are not on trial. It is one individual called the governor of Wajir who has committed atrocities against this house. That is the man on trial, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, what we are saying as I conclude is that, Mr. Speaker, there cannot be an exchange between me and the Senator of Wajir.
Proceed, Senator Wambua.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Bass, kindly take your seat. Senator Bass, take your seat.
Mr. Speaker.
Senator Abbas, take your seat. Senator Abbas, take your seat. Good. Conclude, Senator
Mr. Speaker,
Wambua.
let me conclude by saying this. That, Mr. Speaker, these governors, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, the
Order.
governor of Wajir is being violent.
Senator Bass, I order you to leave the chamber immediately for the remainder of the day.
Is this that serious?
Senator Bass, leave the chamber immediately.
No, we can't behave this way.